everyone, this is Grishma Reddy, horticulturist from Misty Garden Landscape. Today I am in Pramukh Meridian, which is located in Jayanagar. This is one of the apartment where we are doing one of the fabrication work for one of our client, which is residing at 19th floor. So here you can see this is the entire location in my background. And the main concern for the client was to have a solution to avoid monkeys, pigeons for their apartment. And here you can see it is a huge balcony, and they have approached us to find a solution for monkeys and birds, pigeons here. So we have given a wonderful solution which is now becoming more popular in most of the apartments and even corporate sector as well, which is called invisible grills. It is SS wire which is coated by nylon coating. Using this wire we will be fixing the channel. So here you can see how the process is being done. You can see this is the channel. The process of installation is like this. This is the channel, and this is the runner, and this is the fastener. We will be fixing this channel by using the screw here, and from this screw we will be having this SS wire going along the length of the balcony, depending on the size of the balcony, and we will be tightening it manually. And to make it most stiff, we will be using the stiffener at each and every intervals. So the gap between each and wire could be around 2 inch or 3 inch, because we will be increasing or decreasing the inches based on the purpose. For example, if you are having a monkey's problem, then we will be using it to 2 to 3 inches. Or if it is for pigeons and all, we will be using still more lesser length. And even the dimension of these wires is all very uniform to one another. And the most of the wires we will be having the gap is just 2 inches, which is very beneficial, and it is applicable for all type of problems whatever customer is facing. And nowadays this is becoming more popular because of this protection which they have. And the name invisible grill is mainly because of, if we look this invisible grill from far behind, well, we cannot see this grill at all. We cannot see that there is a grill which is installed. That is why the name is the invisible grill is being provided. And today we have completed this entire project, and we are handing over this project. And whosoever is looking for such unique solutions, then you can contact Misty Garden Landscape to the below mentioned contact details. Don't forget to visit our website mistygardenlandscape.com. There's Grishma Reddy, horticulturist from Misty Garden Landscape.